a world filled with sugary sodas and calorie-laden beverages, the quest for healthier drink options has never been more crucial. The choices we make when it comes to what we drink can have a significant impact on our overall health and well-being. Join us on a journey as we delve into the benefits of incorporating these nourishing beverages into our daily routines and discover how they can support a healthier lifestyle. 1. Green tea, a powerful antioxidant beverage. Green tea is a powerhouse antioxidant beverage. It is packed with catechins and other bioactive compounds. Green tea offers a myriad of health benefits from promoting heart health to boosting brain function. You can sip on a cup of green tea and toast to good health with each antioxidant-rich gulp. 2. Hydration and wellness, the importance of drinking water. Water everywhere, but are you drinking enough? Staying hydrated is key to supporting various bodily functions, from regulating body temperature to aiding digestion. By understanding the importance of water in the body, you can actually ensure you are staying well hydrated and reaping the benefits of this essential drink. Grab a glass and raise it to hydration and wellness. Subscribe to the channel. 3. Nutrient-packed smoothies for a healthy boost. Smoothies are the superhero of healthy drinks, packed with a powerhouse of nutrients to kickstart your day. Whether you are blending up a tropical paradise or a green goddess concoction, incorporating a variety of ingredients like leafy greens, fruits, nuts, and seeds can give you a maximum nutrition punch in a single glass. It's like a delicious multivitamin for your taste buds. 4. Herbal teas for improved digestion and immunity. From soothing chamomile to zesty ginger, exploring different herbal tea varieties can have a plethora of benefits. So get steeping and let those herbal infusions perform their work from the inside out. Herbal teas can work wonders for your digestion and immunity. 5. Energizing and refreshing fruit-infused waters. When plain water just won't cut it, infused waters come to the rescue. Infusing water with fresh fruits, herbs, and even veggies adds a burst of flavor and essential nutrients. Stay hydrated and healthy with creative recipes that make drinking water a delightful experience. It's like spa water but without the hefty price tag on it. The role of juices in a balanced diet. While juices can be a tasty addition to your diet, choosing whole fruit options ensures that you are getting the most nutrient density without added sugars or artificial flavors. So raise a glass to enjoying the natural sweetness and benefits of all fruit juices in your balanced diet. Cheers to your health! As we conclude our exploration of healthy drinks, it becomes clear that making conscious choices about what we consume can have a profound effect on our health. By opting for nutrient-rich beverages like herbal teas, water, and enjoying the vibrant flavors of fruit-infused waters and smoothies. We can nourish our bodies and enhance our well-being. Cheers to a healthier future fueled by the power of awesome drinks that not only taste good but also contribute to a happier, healthier life. If this is your first time on the channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Also, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the video and do share with everyone around you.